Welcome viewers, welcome to the 100% Talent Show, and today we're going to be having a live interview, all exclusive interview with our contestants today, and it is all courtesy of Aqua Life, the healthier choice. You know what I mean? Water power, big up on yourself. Today we have in studios Marjorie. Wagwan.
What's up?
What's up to you? You tell me, Wagwan.
Everything good?
Everything good?
Yeah.
Alright, so before we get into these advanced questions, we'd like for you to introduce yourself to the audience.
Alright, so what's up everybody? I am Majorie Garden and I'm a student at the GC Foster College of Physical Education and Sports.
Mad.
Yes, I'm a masseuse and I do every little thing. I don't look at everything. So yeah, that's who is Marjorie.
Me know about flossing. Mad. Alright, so give us a little insight when it as it relates to your dancing. Give us a little insight on what is that.
Alright, so around 2012, around that time, I realized that I could actually dance, right? And I realized it's something that I love. That's where I find my happiness. And while dancing and everything, exploring, I went to Edna Manley. I got a scholarship to go to Edna Manley, and that's where I really take it serious, I take dancing serious. That's my happy place. And when I dance, I express who I am. And if you watch my videos, you would realize that it's all about energy, it's all about confidence. So my dancing and everything, it actually expresses who I am.
Speaking of Edna Manley, what type of dancing do they teach though? Because I don't want to get it twisted or get it wrong or share the wrong information, but every time I hear about Edna Manley, I always think of the Jamaican culture thing them teach only.
No, alright then. So with Edna Manley, they teach all genre dancing, right? When I went there now, I was at dancehall. We did contemporary, we did jazz, we did a little of everything. We did folk, everything.
You did folk and everything.
Yeah.
There, I would want to elaborate more on Edna Manley, but let's just do it for a different time, isn't it? Because I have some vital questions to ask them also, isn't it?
Right.
But maybe because you're a member of the team, you're supposed to can answer that.
What I suppose, yeah.
Yeah. Alright, so you are going to know, more you share with me your most memorable time while dancing.
I actually have two.
Give me two of them.
Alright, so my first time dancing, was that my first? I don't remember if it was my first time, but I was dancing for my church, at my church, right? That's St. Peter's and Paul. I was dancing, and while I was up there dancing, I almost dropped because there was a mat.
Yeah, oh, you slide, oh my.
No, I didn't slide.
But
if you watch the video keenly, you would realize I almost fall.
Right.
But I stand firm and continue to me. I don't never stop. Same way, the next one is my last dancing competition here. I came and I forget everything that I practiced. The late night, everything, I forget it.
Because we notice every time you come here, every time you come on the competition, you're always in a small space by yourself practicing, doing your stuff. I must say you really take it seriously. Come here to win, and even though you come here to win, you also come to give an helping hand to others and stuff. Man, I always see your assist and things. So big up yourself for that. Seeing somewhere, if you give me a little bit more about you and GC Foster.
Alright, so as I mentioned before, I am a masseuse, and I am also the manager for the track team, right? And the masseuse for the track team. Yes, a little bit of everything. And also there is an upcoming club, the media production team. So if you are a GC student and you're watching this, you want to enter, just link me up, right? So being at DC Foster College, it has also given me the opportunity to focus more on dancing. The reason being, they have a dance room, right? And my dance partner, she's not here, but that's where we live. Our free time, that's just our, look at chill spot. So yeah.
What's your friend's name?
Her name is Tajin Thomas. She should have been here, but because of uncontrolled reasons, she's not here today.
Oh, okay. So why should people watch you dance though? Why?
Alright then. So when you watch me dance now, right? You get a different type of energy.
True.
Here, cause I'm all about energy. And if I realize when I dance, it's energy and confidence, right? And watching me dance, well, when I watch myself dance, it's about fun. You get what I say? Expressing yourself.
True.
The confidence, all of them look at something there.
If you had one chance to dance with your favorite dancer, who would that be?
Like, it's tough, you know, because
One.
actually have three.
One.
Oh my.
Yeah, we know it take a rough no.
I think that would be the Cookie Monster.
The Cookie Monster.
Yeah.
All right.
But Dancing Rebel.
You know, Dancing Rebel. Okay.
And Kimiko Versatile.
You know the Jabberwockies.
No.
Jabberwockies.
No.
You need to check them out.
All right. So do that.
You need to check them out. All right. So why should people vote for you on this competition, though?
All right. So it's really a big step for me. Reason being, I've never entered a dance competition before, right? And to actually come out of my comfort zone to do this, it's really something big. So getting the support and everything will actually help me to create a bigger platform, right? Where I can actually pursue my other dream of teaching dancing or anything pertaining to dancing.
Right. So support your cause then, no problem.
Yeah.
All right. So who introduced you to the competition?
Christopher Gibbons. Zane Ejam. He
Big
is
up,
the
Chris.
producer, yes. So big up yourself, Chris.
Yeah, you see me? All right, so how you feel about the whole thing, you know, the ambience, the people, the competition, the comments, everything, the staff, everybody. How you feel about just being around everybody?
Everything, Ari.
Airy,
Good.
mad, ackee and selfish.
I tell you?
Coconut
Dumpling
water,
too.
no salt, no sugar, mad thing. Like this. So are you getting the support that you need as it relates to your votes coming in?
Alright, pertaining to the votes, it's really hard to get votes, right? And I'm still trying despite. I have few persons that, you know, they try their best in supporting me.
Right.
And I appreciate that.
I'll support you.
Alright.
All right, and what are your expectations from this show?
Alright, so during the process of this show, I am also expecting to grow, to learn more about other areas, not just dancing alone. Also, I am hoping that, you know, I could get like a different platform where, you know, somebody see me and say, oh, you know, so the girl that can dance.
Right.
I'm call her, you know, and teach her look at something, do a look at something with her. Any little thing like that. And the next thing is, you see when dancing, especially dancehall, listen, you have to have muscle endurance.
Yeah.
You have to have muscle strength. Right? You have to have cardiovascular endurance. All of them look at something there because it's not easy to maintain energy because dancehall is all about energy. It's all about the vibe. And if you do one look at dance move, you just do it like say, it's not gonna look like nothing. People not gonna feel it. You get me? And say, you have to, you know,
energy after that.
Energy.
And as you can see on the TV, the television right now, she have a lot of energy in her thing. You see me? So last but not least, more if let's give some big ups to some persons who will be watching right now.
Alright, so I first want to say, Tajin, my dance partner, I'm sorry you're not here, but big up yourself, you see me? And
what's her name, Tajin?
Tajin, yes.
Tajin,
yeah.
Oh, it's Tajin.
Yeah.
Tajin.
So big up yourself, my mommy, family.
Bye, hi mommy.
My little friend, them, you know, Christopher, and you know what's my name again?
A big friend them there.
Yeah, everybody. I just want to say big up yourself. The look people that support me, big up yourself.
True. All right, thank you very much for being on the platform with us today, Marjorie. Big up yourself. But before we go, I want you to say something that has to do with inspiration as it relates to dancing, persons who aspire their dreams in dancing right now.
All right, listen. So as a dancer, you have to be intrinsically motivated, right? And the reason why I say that is because if you're not intrinsically motivated, when the external motivation them gone, you're gonna feel like say, hey, you're not supposed to continue. But you have to remind yourself, say, hey, nothing good not come easy, right? And if your motivation is within, when everybody around you tell you say you can't do it, you're gonna still push yourself because you know your capabilities. So just do anything you want. Nobody them tell you say you can't do it. Not that.
Right now, I'm going to do something different right now. So I want to look on this carefully. This is Marjorie. She is a very bold person. She pursues herself as a dancer and also a masseuse. Right? I give her something to look more. I give her the chance right now to take out the show. Right now. Lead out the show.
Alright then. So I'm gonna give me a look song.
Yeah. Yes.
The little song that I wrote for the, you know, the last competition.
Because my ear sing the last time and I said, but I feel like you didn't get escaped today. Let's go.
Alright. So pretty little girl, now make them tell us you can't do it. Yeah, believe in yourself. Make them know say you're no weak. Pretty little girl, now make them tell us you can't do it.
Whoa.
No, believe in yourself, yeah?
Straight, powerful words from Marjorie. Hey, tell me say shy at first. Let's stop stress me out. General star. Yo, that was Marjorie right now, you know what I mean, on 100% Talent Show, you know what I mean, brought to you by Aqualife, healthier choice, you know what I mean. So, you hear it from her herself.
Wicked, wicked, them must feel like me gun them straight the board them thing. When the rifle turn on and go board them thing. Body gone for ice that a frozen thing. Big fat spirit a roam like sin. I'ma go touch pon the fire ring pin. Down the stone in like a golden spring. Boy, head up no is a open thing. Like when BKB and go open sting. St. Thomas say, wicked man thing. August Town say, wicked man thing. Popping Tug say, wicked man thing. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Jungle 12 say, wicked man thing. Clarendon Tug say, wicked man thing. Bobby Tugs them say, wicked man thing. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Shot them and figure them. Boy, you fit dead when them see me.